So in this example, I want to suppose that I have FGHJ, which is a shape with vertices F, -4, -2, G, which is -1, -1, H, which is 0, -4, and then J, which is -3, -6. And so I want to suppose that F prime, G prime, H prime, J prime represents the shape FGHJ translated to the right 9 units and then up 2 units. So here I'm going to just highlight the important parts of this, because now I want to know what are the coordinates for F prime, G prime, H prime, and J prime. So here I'm just going to highlight the important pieces. So I have that these are my coordinates from F, G, H, J, and I want to suppose that F prime, G prime, H prime, J prime represents this shape FGHJ translated to the right 9 units and then up 2 units. And so remember that for the left and right translations that I want to either add or subtract that amount from the x coordinate. And then for up and down translations, I want to add or subtract that amount from the y coordinate. And so when I go to F prime, I'm going to look at my original point for F, which is -4, -2, and I'm going to write -4, and then now I need to determine, am I going to add 9 units or subtract 9 units? Well, it says to go right 9 units, so that means I'm going to add 9 units to my x-coordinate. And then it says to go up 2 units, which means that whatever my y-coordinate is, which is -2, I need to add 2 to the y-coordinate. And so this gives me 5, 0. So this is my new translated point, F prime, from my original point F. So that was my original point F here, and that's how it was translated. Okay, now I go to my point G, and I write down that I know that that's -1, -1. And so since I'm going to the right 9 units, that means I need to add 9 to -1. And then for my y-coordinate, I need to add 2, because I'm going up 2. And so here this gives me 8, 1. Okay, now I go over to H. And so my x-coordinate is 0, so I'm going to add 9 to 0. And then my y-coordinate is -4, so I'm going to add 2 to -4. And so this gives me 9 and then -2. Now I'm going to J, and my x-coordinate is -3, so I'm going to add 9 to -3, and then I'm going to add 2 to -6. And so this gives me 6, -4. And so these are my new coordinates for the shape FGHJ translated to the right 9 units and then up 2 units.